Stored somewhere in just about every home and business are files put in file cabinets. Believe it or not, here we are, digital age. File cabinets are still a thing. There's file cabinets everywhere, and a major opportunity those who work with locks and keys have is offering your customers solutions to either repair and or put in file cabinet locks. So what I want to do is go over the 5 most popular file cabinet lock kits. So that way you'll be in the know when it comes to what file cabinet lock kits are available and popular. Now, these are aftermarket file cabinet kits, and they are surprisingly affordable. And you can buy them neither keyed alike or keyed differently. So depending on your customer's needs, you can help them out no matter what. Now, these are kits. They're not just the individual lock. And I really think that's good for a couple reasons. Now, if your customer just needs the lock, needs a replacement lock, well, you can help them because you'll have it. At the same time, all of the little pieces that are involved in the little kits that go on the file cabinets, well, they can easily be misplaced or lost. And so having the kit with all the extra little parts in is definitely handy. And due to the price, it's really a no-brainer just to stock the kit. So let's get started with the top 5 most popular file cabinet kits today. Now, depending on your area or what your customers might have, now our number 1 might not be your number 1, it could be your number 4. But by knowing what they are, you'll be able to really start to identify them pretty quickly. Number 1 is the 2190. The 2190 is a Hahn push button plunger style file cabinet lock kit, also known as the F26. Number 2 is the 2188 Hahn lateral file cabinet lock kit. Now, I just want to pause for a second, and when you put these two kits side by side, you can really just visually see how different they are, okay? And that's really important as you start to get familiar with file cabinets. You'll really start to be able to recognize them just at first sight. Number 3 is the 2176. Now, the 2176 is for the global file cabinets, and it's also called the CLK style. If you like videos like this and want to see more, go ahead and hit that like button. It lets us know that you like this video. Number 4 is the 2194. Now, this kit is for Anderson Hickey older file cabinets, also known as the 15400 style, and it also fits the premier file cabinets as well. And lastly, number 5 is the 2185. Now, the 2185 is for the newer Hahn file cabinets, also known as a F26 or F28, which have the removable core, okay? This has become more and more popular, and you're for sure going to be running into these. Now, the good news is we also have the 2183 key. Now, this key you're gonna be able to remove the cores with, which makes it really easy just to replace the core only and or to rekey them. All right, so that's the top 5 file cabinet replacement lock kits. Now, the good news is we went ahead and we put them in a kit so you can buy all 5 plus the 2183 removal key. Now, this will give you a good start when you start to run across different file cabinets. And of course, in the notes below, you'll find a link to all of the individual products you can check out in either keyed alike or keyed different. I would love to know what you think in the comments below. And make sure you include the hashtag Lockboss. That way you'll automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. File cabinet locks. On the surface, I want to get file cabinet locks. They are file cabinet locks. Now is what I want to, and so is what I want to do is give you, so is what I want to do is, do that again. Now, number one, the first, number one, maybe just put up a number one or something like that. Plus the 2183 removable key, plus the 2183 removal key, plus